think so.
No problem. So, what brings you here?
Well, Ophelia is really upset. Hamlet left her a note saying that he's losing her anytime.
Oh my god, I can't believe it. When did that happen?
I don't know, but she is in a terrible state. She's been crying for days.
Yeah, I can imagine, but I mean, this bound to happen eventually.
I mean, she's heartbroken, and she doesn't have a father. He just died.
Yeah, I mean, that's horrible, but I mean... So, wait, that's the reason you came here?
Yeah, she needs your help.
What does she want me to do for her?
She trusts you.
Why? Are we not even that close? I just put up with her because Hamlet was in love with her. But, I mean, now that they're done, I don't want to have anything to do with her.
Just talk to her. She needs help.
Okay, I'll talk to her, but only if you go with me.
Okay.